Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix all Bluetooth related problem on your Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So guys, how to fix it? In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So guys, if you face any software related problem, you can find here all video. So guys, let's start the video. Click here start button and after that click here settings. After that guys, click here Bluetooth and device option. Okay, and if this off, on it, this Bluetooth option, if this off, close this window. Now click here start taskbar and click here task manager option, and after that guys, click here run new task and type here services.msc. Okay, and check this checkbox and click here OK. Now guys, find here Bluetooth service. Press B from keyboard and you can see here there are some service here. Okay, this service should be running here. All these four service. These service. Now click here this first service and click here properties. And guys, select here under startup type automatically and click here stop and click here apply and then click here OK button. Now select this service and click here start button. Okay, and after that guys, select this second service and click here properties and select here automatic. Okay, and click here apply and then click here OK button and select this service and click here restart. Now select this third service and click here properties and select here automatic under startup type and click here start button, and after that guys, click here apply and then click here OK. If this OK is not working, no problem, cancel it. Okay, it will running automatically. You can see here. Okay, now select this for service, right click on it and click here start button. Click here this start button. This service will restart automatically. Okay, you can see here all these four service should be running here. Now close this window. Now we are going for next method. If your problem is not fixed, click here right click on start button and click here device manager option. Now guys, find here Bluetooth. You can see here expand this Bluetooth and click here these all three service. Right click on it and update all these service. Okay, I will show here first service properties and driver and update driver. Service automatically updated already and click here again update driver and browse my computer and let me pick, click here and select this and next. So guys, you can see here automatically will updated here. Now close this. Now close this. So guys, these three service should be updated. Okay, one by one update all these service. Now if not working, click here uninstall. Okay, now uninstall this also. Click here uninstall it. So guys, you can see here Bluetooth icon is not displayed here and not here. Now how to come back it? Now guys, click here scan for hardware changes option. Okay, and if this not found here, click here action and click here scan for hardware changes. It will reinstalled automatically. Okay, this Bluetooth driver you can see here. After scan the hardware, it will automatically reinstalled. Now close this window. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Okay, I hope your problem is fixed here. If it not fixed, we are going for next method. Now guys, click here. Now guys, launch any browser and type here your laptop name. Like if your laptop is Dell, type here Dell. If Lenovo, type here Lenovo laptop driver, download. Okay, now click here this driver and click here this first link. Now guys, type here under model your laptop model number. Minimize this, close this window. Now guys, find here. Now guys, click here search option and type here Windows PowerShell. Same as it is Windows PowerShell. SHELL and you can see here Windows PowerShell. Now click here run as administrator. Now guys, type here a command. What is command? This is command. I write an already in notepad. Okay, type here same as this command gwmi. Copy this command and right click on it. It will copy automatically and press enter. You can see here guys your laptop serial number is displayed here. Okay, copy it, select and press enter from the keyboard. It will automatically copy. Now paste here. Now close this window and minimize this window and open browser and type here this serial number. Okay, you can see here this is your laptop serial number. Search. So guys, if this serial number is not working, here click here this model number. Okay, and if not working, click here this model number. After clicking on model number, it will show your laptop driver here. Now guys, find here your operating system in this list. Okay, so after that guys, find here your Bluetooth driver. Scroll down it and you can see here your Bluetooth driver showing here. Now click here this checkbox and click here. After clicking on this, you can see here if there are no download button, you can see here there are download button. Now click here download and select. It will download automatically your Bluetooth driver. You can see here your driver setup is displayed here. Right click on it and click here run as administrator. So guys, install your Bluetooth driver on your system and after that restart your PC or laptop and after that guys check your problem is fixed or not. I hope your Bluetooth all problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.